Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the limit clause and the like operator. So let's get started. Type your password and hit enter. Then select a database on which you are going to carry out the operation. So I have MyDB1 database. Then you have to select the table on which you are going to carry out your operations. So I am writing select star from employee. Okay, the table has got displayed. Now if there arises a situation in which we have to fetch only the 5 records from the table, so we need to write select star from employee, which is the table in my case. Then we have to limit it, so let us keep it small, limit, and then the number of records that you want to display. So in my case it is 5, so I'm writing 5 and then hit enter. You can see that 5 records have got displayed from the above table. Okay, so now let us take a case wherein we have to specify limit more than the number of records, which are 14 in this case. So let us write 20 and hit enter. So you can see that no error has popped out during the execution of this statement or query, and all the records have got displayed, even if the limit was 20. Let us take one last example of limit. So we have to select the earlier statement and type 2 instead of 20. So you can see that only 2 records have got displayed over here. Okay, so now let us move on to the like operator. Suppose there arises a situation in which you are asked to get the names of the people containing the letter A or S. Then in that case, you would need to use the like operator. Okay, so let us say you want to extract those names which contain S as the starting letter. So you need to write select star from employee. Then you need to write where, and then select this column named emp name. So write emp name, and then we have to write like, and then we have to specify s and then percentage, which is a wildcard operator. You'll get to know wildcard operator in the next video. So it is starting with s and then the following is percentage. You can see that it has displayed all the names with the letter s as the starting character. Okay, so now let us display the names of the people containing A as the starting character. For accomplishing this task, select the earlier statement and replace S with A and hit enter. So you can see that all the names containing A as the starting letter have got displayed. So now if you want to display all the names containing the letter A as the ending character, so type percentage A instead of A% and hit enter. So now you can see that all the names containing the A as the ending character have got displayed. Now if you want to display th, the names containing th as the ending character, so replace A with th and hit enter. So you can see that Smith and Set have th as the ending character and they have got displayed over here. So now let us display all the names that contain the letter A in it. So for this to happen, we have to write 2% symbol. Okay, so for doing this task, you have to replace percentage A with percentage A percentage. Okay, so what this will do is it will select the first words and the last words, and the middle one is A. So the middle one has to be A. Okay, so you can see that all the records containing A have got displayed over here. Okay, so now let us look at another wildcard operator underscore. So select the old query and type 4 underscores. Oh, sorry, I have written hyphens, underscores. Hit enter. Okay, so the 4 underscores represent the 4 characters in the name column. So you can see that all the names which have 4 characters in their names have got displayed. So this basically selects all the characters which have the names according to the underscores, number of underscores that are placed in this query. So now let us add a percentage symbol before the underscores to see what happens to the result. So type percentage before the underscores and then hit enter. So you can see that all the names displayed over here have a length of at least 4 characters. So now let us take one last example. Write the earlier query and then add a percentage sign and an underscore and then hit enter. So you can see that all the names which have a length of at least 5 characters have got displayed over here. So what this underscore does is it takes the length of 5 characters and then displays all the names that contain the length as 5 characters. So if you found this video helpful, then please like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel Coders.